Hello children, welcome to today's session, class 5th class, mathematics, and we are in the chapter 1. I am now started the exercise sums. I am giving the basics which is required for the to start the exercise sums. Next, in this today's session, we learn three things: expanded form, short form, and comparing. So what is an expanded form? If a number is given, how to write in the expanded form, that we will learn. Next one is short form. If it is given in the expanded form, how to write the short form. And the third part is comparing. Comparison means very simple, which is bigger, which is small. This we will learn in this session, right? So the first one, I'll explain the first question. I will explain my own questions, then we can go for the exercise sums. So the question is expand 25,689. Suppose this is the question given. I will give the small numbers, then we can go for the big numbers. So write. It's very simple. Answer how to write is, first take the number in the box. Always better to write in the box to avoid the confusion and to avoid the mistakes. So how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You take 5 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So after that, what we have to write? Indian place value system: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s. Right? Next. So write the numbers: 9, 8, 6, 5, 2. Okay. So whenever you are writing the expanded form, you for this first ones. So it is only 1. Tens, it is 1, 0. Next, hundreds, how much it was? So it is ones, it is tens, it is hundreds, and 1,000, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 1,000. And 10,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is 10,000. And for 1 lakh, you will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is lakhs. And for 10 lakhs, you will have units, tens, hundreds, thousands, and lakhs. You will get 7 numbers: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 10 lakhs. So this you have to remember whenever you are writing expanded form. Expand. We have to expand the given numbers. So first, it's very simple. Once you write this. Next, what you have to write is 25,689 can be written as, very simple, 2 into 10,000. So means 1, 4 zeros. So 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then plus 5 into 1,000. Where is the 1,000? Underline this. This is the first part. Underline 1,000. 1, 0, 0, 0. Underline this. Plus, I'm not having space. You have to write in the straight way. Now I don't have any space, that's why I am writing like this. Don't copy like this. You write in a straight way. Because I am not having place, I am writing plus here. Plus 6 into 100. Underline this. Plus 8 into 10. Plus 9 into 1. That's all. So how many? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's all. So 25,689 can be written as 2 into 10,000, 20,000. No need to write. 2 into 1, 2. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 20,000 plus 5 into 1,000. 5,000 plus 6 into 100. 600 plus 8 into 10. 80 plus 9 into 1. 9. That's all. This is the expanded form. What is the basics you have to write? First, take the number and write the boxes. Meanwhile, you have to write like this. Ones means 1, tens means 10, 1, 0, hundreds means 1, 0, 0, 1,000 like this. After this, 2 into 10,000. How to 2 into 10,000? No need to do big multiplication. Very simple. 2 ones are 2, write remaining zeros. 5 ones are 5, write remaining zeros. 6 ones are 6, write remaining zeros. 8 ones are 8, 9 ones are 9. Okay? So this is the question number 1. First example. I'll go for one more question. Now I'll take the lakhs. Whatever the number is there, no need, don't worry. We have to follow the same method. So expand 6,46,275. So as usual, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 boxes and the big number. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. After this, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s and lakhs. Then after this, 5, 7, 2, 6, 4, 6. First you have to fill this. That's all. Next, 6,46,275 can be written as 6 into 1 lakh. 1 lakh means how many there? 1, 5 zeros. So that is 1 unit 10, 100, 1000 and 1000 lakhs. This is the first one. Plus 4 into 10,000. 4 into 1, 4 zeros. Plus 6 into 1000. 6 into 1000. Underline this. Plus 2 into 100. Why I am underlining? Why I should underline that? Because to avoid the confusion, we have to underline it. How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 lines must be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After this, what I should write? 6 into 1 lakh. 6 lakhs. How to write? We know, very simple. 6 ones are 6 and keep the remaining zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 into 10,000. 1, 2, 3, 4. 40,000. 4 into 10,000 is 40,000. 6 into 1,000, 6,000. Plus 2 into 100, 200. Plus 7 into 10, 70. Plus 5. So this is the way to write. Got it? So first take the number, write in the box and you expand it. Okay? Do you understand? Shall I write one more question? Yes, I'll write one more question for your convenience sake, because it's very easy to write. You no need to confuse anything. Whatever the number is given, you just write. Now I'll include zeros. So 5 lakhs 42,000, 5 lakhs 40,609. Suppose this is the question. 5 lakhs 40,609. In this case, how to write? Whatever the number is there, the method is the same. What is the method? Writing the numbers in the boxes. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s and lakhs. So it is 9, 0, 6, 0, 4, 5. After this, same 5 lakhs 40,609. So 5 into 1 lakh. Unit stands hundreds, thousand and lakhs. Plus underline 4 into 10,000. Underline plus 0 into 1000. So 0 is there now. Can we ignore? Means no need to ignore. First you write 0 into 1000. Next 6 into 100. Next 0 into 10 plus 9 into 1. That's all. Next, what is the next step? 5 into 1 lakh is 5 lakhs. Then plus 4 into 10,000, 40,000. Plus 0 into 1000. So shall I write 0,000? So 0 into any number is 0. So plus 0. Plus 6 into 100, 600. Plus 0 into 10, 0. Plus 9. So don't write 0,000. 0 into any number is 0. Okay. So this is the way to write. Now 5 lakhs 40,609 units. 5 lakhs plus 40,000 plus 600 plus 9. So this is the way to write in the, whenever a number is given, that is writing in the expanded form. Okay. Next, I'll go for the next one. What is the second topic we have to know? Short form. So in this case, this time he will give expanded form. We have to write in the short form, right? So question: write the given expanded form. Write the given expanded form in short form. This is the question. What is the question? Write the given expanded form in the short form. So look at this. First it is, the question is 40,000 plus 6,000 plus 800 plus 90 plus 5. Suppose this is the question. How to write is, we have to write in the reverse way. In the just now previous method, number taken and we have expanded. In this case, expanded form is that we have to write in the numbers. So how I'll write? Look at this answer. Once the question is given, again copy the answer. It is 40,000 plus 6,000 plus 800 plus 90 plus 5. So how many there? 5 numbers are there. Underline it. That means you have to write 5 boxes. Next, we have to write in terms of 10,000. So how I'll write is 4 into 10,000. In the previous step, what we did? 4 into 10,000, we have written 40,000. In this case, we have to write 40,000 as 4 into 10,000. This one 6 into 1,000 plus this one 8 into 100 plus this one 9 into 10 and plus this one 5 into 1. That's all. Now take the box. How many numbers? How many boxes? 5 boxes, because it is given as 5 boxes. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. Now start from here. How many 10,000s are there? 4 10,000s. How many thousands are there? 6. How many hundreds are there? 8. How many tens are there? 9. And how many ones are there? 5. That's all. Now this is the expanded form and this is the short form. So what is the answer? It is 46,895 is the answer. Got it? How to write in the short form? It will give expanded form. Okay? I'll go for one more question, because more the number of questions you practice, more perfect you will be. So I'm not started the exercise sums. ఇప్పుడు వరకు నేను చేయలేదు. ఇదే మీ క్లాస్ టీచర్ అంటే ఈ పాటికి రెండు ఎక్సర్సైజ్ కూడా అయిపోయేటియేమో కదా. చేయొద్దు అట్లా. ఫస్ట్ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసి మ్యాథ్స్ ఎప్పుడైనా సరే ఫస్ట్ కాన్సెప్ట్ నేర్చుకొని తర్వాత సమ్స్లోకి వెళ్ళాలి. రైట్? నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. 6 lakhs plus 50,000 plus 4,000 plus 800 plus 90 plus 2. So as usual, answer. So this can be written as 6 into 1 lakh. Underline it. Plus this can be written as 5 into 10,000. Underline it. Plus 4 into 1,000. Underline it. Plus 8 into 100. I'm rubbing this. I think this is not necessary for us. Plus 9 into 10. Plus 2 into 1. Underline it. No need to confuse. So 6 into 1 lakh. This one. 5 into 10,000, 4 into 1,000, 8 into 100, 9 into 10. That's all. Then take a box. This time how many numbers I should take? I have to take 6 boxes, because lakhs, highest lakhs is there, right? So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s and lakhs. How many lakhs are there? 6 lakhs, 50,000, 54,000. That is 10,000s are 5, thousands are 4, 8, 6,592. So therefore the answer is 65,000. Sorry, 6,54,892. So this is the way to write when a normal expanded form is given and short form to write. Now let's give some tough question, that is tricky question. That is, if some numbers are excluded. Look at this question. Write in the short form. 5 lakhs 4,080 plus 4. Suppose this is given. All the students, what they will write, they will take 4 boxes only. Sir, మీరైతే చెప్పారు ఎన్ని నెంబర్స్ ఉంటాయని తీసుకోమని. అయితే ఇక్కడ 4 బాక్సెస్ తీసుకోవద్దు, ఇంకా ఎక్కువ తీసుకోవాలి. ఎలా తీసుకోవాలో చూడండి. ఆన్సర్. సో దిస్ కెన్ బి రిటన్ యాజ్ 5 into 1 lakh. Right? Plus this can be written as 4 into 1000. Plus this can be written as 8 into 10 plus 4 into 1. Up to now all the students will do. Then what they will do is they will write 4 boxes. Okay, and they will write 5, 4, 8, 4. They will write like this. If you write like this, this is wrong. So why it was wrong? So what is the correct answer? Is that first of all, basing on this, it's okay. In some cases, it is also not given. Now look at this: ones, tens, thousand, hundreds, thousand, tens, or lakhs. So lakhs are given. So we have to take, what is the highest one? Lakhs. So lakhs means how many boxes I have to write? You know, I have to write 6 boxes. I have to write. So it is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, and lakhs. Now in this case, first how many lakhs are there? 5 lakhs you should write. Next, what is this? Thousands. So how many thousands means how many zeros are there? How many thousands are there? 4. So where is the thousands? Here you should write the 4. Then tens. So where is the tens? 8. Here you should write. And ones, 4. Now what I have to do this means you have to keep zeros. That is the logic. So from this what you have to know is that first highest one which is there, you have to check the value, lakhs. So first you have to write the lakhs. So this is the second topic which is written in the short form. How to write when expanded form is there, how to write the short form. Next, I'll go for the comparison. Comparison means which is big, which is small. So that is our next concept to explain. Comparison or comparing. COMPARING. Right? So to comparing the digits, we'll use one symbol. So what is this? This or this. Both are used to indicate which is bigger. Here, look at the V is there, na? Right? So we'll have the selfish, stylish. Don't go for that. Now this indicates 2 lines and 1 corner. మీకు అర్థమైనట్టు చెప్పాలంటే ఇలా ఉంటుంది కదా, ఇక్కడ 2 లైన్స్ ఇలా ఉంటుంది, ఇది ఒక సైడ్ ఉంటుంది. ఈ 2 లైన్స్ ఎప్పుడు బిగ్గర్ నెంబర్ చూపించాలి. ఓకే, బిగ్గర్ నెంబర్ సైడ్ ఉండాలి. ఈ కార్నర్ ఎప్పుడు స్మాలర్ నెంబర్ సైడ్ ఉండాలి. ఇది మీరు చూడాల్సింది. ఎగ్జాంపుల్ నేను చెప్తా చూడండి. 9-10. So 9, 10. Which is bigger? 9 bigger, sir. Because it is bigger. 9 is not bigger. 10 is bigger. So you have to keep the symbol as like this. Is it correct? Is it correct or wrong? It is wrong. Why it is wrong? Look at this. These 2 lines should be which side? Yes, these 2 lines should be towards a bigger number. Now this is correct. Now look at one more example. 200, 300. Among this, first which is bigger? 300 is bigger. So I have to like this, it is shown. So what do you understand by this one is, in this symbol the two lines must show towards the bigger number and this point must show towards the smaller number. So this is the comparison between this. Okay, now we'll go for the examples. For this one also I'll give 3 examples. After that I'll stop this session and in the next session we'll start the exercise sums. ఈ లోపు నేను చెప్పిన అన్ని ఒకసారి మీరు మళ్ళీ ఓన్గా ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ కూడా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుకోవాలి. రైట్, సో కంపేరింగ్ 45,628 68,245. Suppose this is given 45628 68245. I am giving my own examples, then we'll go for the exercise sums. మీరు కూడా ఓన్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ అంటే ఎప్పుడు కూడా ఓన్గా థింక్ చేయాలి, ఓన్గా థింక్ చేస్తూ నేర్చుకోవాలి. ఇప్పుడు ఈ రెండింటిలో ఏది పెద్దది? సరే ఇది చిన్నగా రాశారు, ఇది చిన్నగా ఉంది, ఇది పెద్దగా రాశారు, ఇది పెద్దగా ఉందని చెప్పొద్దు. కౌంట్ ద నెంబర్స్, వన్స్, టెన్స్, హండ్రెడ్స్, 1000, 10,000s. And how many? What is the number? This one, 45,628. So how many thousands are there? 45,000s are there. In this case, ones, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000s. In this case, how many numbers are there? 68,000s are there. 45,000s పెద్దదా, 68,000s పెద్దదా? 68,000 పెద్దది. కాబట్టి I have to show this symbol like this. As I told now, this two lines must show these two lines must show towards the bigger number. Okay, next I'll give 5 examples in this one. This is the first example. Second example is 34,628 32,492. Look at this question. Ones, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000s. Ones, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000s. So how many thousands are there? 34,000s are there. And how many thousands are there? 32,000s are there. Which is bigger? This is bigger. Next, third question. A tricky question I'll give. 22,622 22,632. Look at this question. Sir, ఇది ఇటు సైడ్ పెట్టారు, ఇది ఇటు సైడ్ పెట్టారు, ఈ సైడ్ ఇటు సైడ్ పెడదాం. పెడతారు కదా క్వశ్చన్స్ ఇచ్చేటప్పుడు. ట్రూ ఫాల్స్, ట్రూ అన్నాం అనుకో ట్రూ అంటాడు, నెక్స్ట్ ఫాల్స్, నెక్స్ట్ ట్రూ, నెక్స్ట్ ఫాల్స్. అట్లా పెట్టొద్దు, అలా పెడితే వేస్ట్. చూడండి ఎలా పెట్టాలో చూడండి. యూనిట్స్, టెన్స్, హండ్రెడ్స్, 1000, 10,000. Units, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000. So how many thousands are there? 22,000s. How many thousands are there? 22,000. So రెండు 22,000 కాబట్టి నేను ఈక్వల్ టు పెట్టదని అనొచ్చు. ఇలా ఈక్వల్ టు పెట్టొద్దు. 1000 సేమ్ ఉన్నాయి కదా. నెక్స్ట్ చెక్ ద how many hundreds are there? 6 hundreds. Here how many hundreds are there? 600. సో రెండు సేమ్ ఉన్నాయి, మళ్ళీ ఈక్వల్ పెట్టొద్దు. ఇది కూడా రాంగ్. నెక్స్ట్ ఏం చేయాలంటే మిగిలింది చూడండి. మిగిలింది ఎంత ఉందమ్మా? ఇక్కడ 22, ఇక్కడ 32. సో సేమ్ ఉన్నాయి కదా, 22,000, 22,000, 600, 600, 22, 32. Which is bigger? 32 is bigger. So we have to write like this. Okay, next I'll go for one more tricky question. 4,56,021 4,56,121. This is the question. So in this set, how to check? Units, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, lakhs. Units, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, lakhs. Both 4 lakhs. Both are same. So don't go for that. Next, 56,000, 56,000. In this case also both are same. So don't go for that. So what is the remaining here? How many hundreds are there? 0 hundreds. And how many hundreds are there? 100. So whether 0 is bigger or 1 is bigger? 1 is bigger. So obviously 4,56,121 is bigger than 4,56,021. Got it? Next. Last question. 99,999 9,999. Which is bigger? సార్ 5 9s ఉన్నాయి సార్, ఇక్కడ 4 9s ఉన్నాయి, ఇదే పెద్దది. ఎస్, ఇదే పెద్దది. అయితే 5 9s 4 9s అని చెప్పొద్దు. ఏం చెప్పాలి అంటే units, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000s. So how many thousands are there? 99 thousands are there. Units, tens, hundreds, thousands. So how many thousands are there? 9,000s. So in this case 99 thousands are there, and in this case only 9 thousands are there. So which is bigger? Obviously, no doubt, 99,999 is bigger. Okay, so this is the way to compare. So this is the way to do the comparison of the given questions. Okay, so that's all. I'll stop at this stage, and from the next session onwards I will start the exercise sums. So ఇవంతా ఏంటంటే కాన్సెప్ట్ నేర్పించాను మీకు. ఎక్స్పాండ్ ఎలా చేయాలి, షార్ట్ ఫామ్ ఎలా రాయాలి, కంపారిజన్ ఎలా చేయాలి. ఓకే, సో హోంవర్క్, టుడేస్ హోమ్ అసైన్మెంట్, రైట్? So what I have explained, that questions one time. You have to write this. Don't write this one. ఒక స్టూడెంట్ రాసి పంపించాడు, హోంవర్క్ ఇదే అని రాసి పంపించాడు. సార్ టుడేస్ హోంవర్క్ అని చెప్పి ఇది రాసి పంపించాడు. ఇది కాదు బాబు రాయాల్సింది. మీరు ఏది రాయాలంటే ఎక్స్పాండెడ్ ఫామ్ చెప్పాను. ఎన్ని ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ ఇచ్చాను తెలుసా? 3 ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ ఇచ్చాను, 3 రాయాలి. తర్వాత షార్ట్ ఫామ్ చెప్పాను, షార్ట్ ఫామ్ 2 ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ ఇచ్చాను, 3 ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ ఇచ్చాను, 3 రాయాలి. నెక్స్ట్ కంపారిజన్ అని పెట్టాను, కంపారిజన్లో కూడా 3 రాయాలి. చక్కగా నీట్గా డ్రా ద లైన్స్, పుట్ ద డేట్, సెషన్ నెంబర్, మ్యాథ్స్, యువర్ నేమ్, మెన్షన్ యువర్ నేమ్ క్లియర్లీ. సో ఫస్ట్ వన్, రైట్ ఇన్ ఎక్స్పాండెడ్ ఫామ్. క్వశ్చన్స్ అయిపోతాయి, డ్రా ద లైన్. నెక్స్ట్, రైట్ ఇన్ షార్ట్ ఫామ్, undo the questions, then underline. Next, comparison, compare the given numbers, or what is the heading I have given, you just write. You have to write like this, and send the homework pics to me. Tomorrow morning I'll send how many students done and how many students not done, and some lazy fellows, irresponsible fellows who are there, I'll find out them, and we'll follow up the students. Right? That's all for this today's session, and we'll meet in the next session. Bye.